In this video, I would like to show you how to change the author of the media attachment page in WordPress. As you can see in this example, this attachment page has an author of admin. However, I would like to assign it to a different user. In order to make this change, log into WordPress dashboard and then hover on media and then select library. Currently, I'm in the list view. As you can see, the media file in question is this one, Espresso Service Sample Image. If you can notice, it has an author of admin. In order to change it, let's open the file. Then at the top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then select Author. Then scroll all the way to the bottom, and there should be the Author section. Let's click on the drop-down, and let's change to another user. Let's select Nick, and now let's update the changes. Once the changes are saved, let's go back to the media attachment page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the new author is Nick. And of course, if you go back to the media library, and so you can notice the new author is also reflected right in here. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.